Good howdy, folks. Welcome back to another James Blackburn experience. I decided to wander around and explore the area. As usual, I took my camera and captured some amazing scenery. I grew up thinking the desert was a place you didn't want to visit. However, after living in New Mexico for over 2 decades, I've changed my mind. I love visiting the wilderness areas, whether they're full of forest or desert. I've come to appreciate the beauty of the desert, and I love to hike and camp in areas just like this. Totally awesome. The air was cool and felt nice as the excitement continued to build. Backpacking is similar to life. The best rewards come from honest hard work. Sometimes the amount of work ahead of us seems overwhelming. So just think about that next step, that next section of forest, that next stream crossing. Take one step at a time, and before you know it, there you are. Remember that life is a journey, not a destination. True beauty comes from within, and life is whatever you make it. I was having one of those moments where I felt truly thankful to be alive. The landscape was so intense and beautiful that I felt tiny in this universe, but at the same time I felt completely connected to it all. It was as if I could feel the universe flowing in my veins. I was nothing and everything all at once. I felt an almost overwhelming feeling of peace and tranquility. I felt truly thankful to be here right now at this breathtaking moment. The weather was great out here, mid-50s during the day and in the 20s at night. I know 20s at night sounds cold, But if you have the correct gear with you, you can still sleep comfortably even in the winter. There are no restrooms or drinking water available here. Remember, this is a desert area. Take plenty of water with you, wear a long sleeve shirt, long pants, and sturdy shoes, and make sure to use sunscreen. It just doesn't get much better than this. I'm already looking forward to going back again soon. couldn't ask for a better day or a better hike at this exact moment. I was beginning to feel very philosophical when I had this thought. We all have bridges to cross and weight to bear. At times it may seem impossible or even dangerous. It's at these times where I feel we live the most. Living life on the edge of impossible is where we feel the most alive. The feeling of being connected with the planet was a beautiful thing. I was out of breath but full of life. I felt at one with nature. I felt at one with the earth and the universe. I knew I'd felt like this before, but it had been a while, and I was glad to be back where I belonged, the wilderness. I breathed in the clean mountain air and felt truly alive again. All around me was some beautiful landscape, and I wanted to take it all in while I was here. I love to capture nice moments and experiences, and then I have it documented and I can edit it down as a memory to share. The views in all directions were amazing. I mean, how could I not be blown away? Well, to be honest, I was blown away and was feeling the energy of the area flowing like an electrical current throughout my wild spirit. views everywhere were mind-blowing and I could not stop smiling. What a great day to be alive and experience this wonderful area of the American Southwest. My wild spirit was feeling alive and curious about what's next in this awesome wilderness. Today had been a perfect day so far. It just doesn't get any better than this. This place was putting me in a great mood, and I felt like celebrating life again. I knew I was fortunate to be here, and I was not going to take any of this for granted. I wanted to take it all in. I wanted to be a part of it all. I could hear the rocks, the trees, the wind, and the sky talking to me. They were all saying the same thing. Respect us, and you are welcome here anytime. Respect I did, and I felt truly thankful to be welcomed here.